Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about the concepts like array, string, functions. Those are in Swift language, but according to the Objective-C, they have declared as NS array and NS mutable array, and NS string and NS mutable string. But NS means next step. So next step company has based on implementation based on NS array. So NS mutable array means like in the NS mutable array we can change the array value index like anything. So we can change that. So in NS array we cannot change the value anything else. So according to the simultaneously as NS string and NS mutable string has difference between that. So let's start. I am discussing about the array. Like array means number of objects or number of collections has been represented as a single line of array. So example in this array I am declaring as a array like where apple name uh, I am declaring as a apple, ball and cat, dog hunt. So I have recorded the video, but it does not uploaded. Sorry, I did not save that. So it is I have written just now only, not the previous one. I have not copied from that. So I am declared it. So where array name equal to apple name, apple, ball, cat, and everything. So this is array for representation. So in this array we are saving like array we are appending the value from index. So we can we are adding the array in the array any characters like dog, and I am array appending the elephant also in this array. So I am removing from the this is for object remove at index value. So we are removing that array at index. So then we are appending the also string for that by using the plus of operators plus equal to. So we are appending the value from this. This is for array for appending and removing at index. So we are adding the two arrays also there for remaining I will consider. So we can count the array at index value also by I will write the code for you. Array name dot count. So we will get the array count. So how many strings are there for in the array? So objects, sorry, not a character. How many objects are there in the array? We will get the by using the array at count index. So remaining else I have this I will teach later. So what is a string? A string is a character. Number of characters are representation as a string. So I am giving example like where string a equal to hello boys. So this is single line string. So in the string in the string we can write a number of lines of characters. So by using the let string b is equal to I am Johnson and I came from USA to celebrate a New Year celebration in the on 2021, sorry, 2022. So 2022 I am celebrating. So we are writing a multiple strings. So by using the this code e-commerce by using the 3. So we are writing as a empty string also. So we can write a empty string means because whenever we want to use we want to add anything for the string. So we are declaring as a global like empty string, empty. So, what in the string there are concepts like a string, empty string, like a string constant and string concatenate and the string append and string length and everything. So we can write it for string iterating and everything is there. Unique coding and as suffix and as prefix and everything is there in the Swift concept. So in the Objective-C, I will give the full clarification about the string, dictionary and everything. Just I am giving example for you that. So, according to the string, I am giving a empty. I am finding whether it is a string is empty or not by using if condition string a dot is a empty. It's check the either it is a string is empty or not. So this method used to find out the either string is empty or not. So it will check, it is either it is set true, it is, if string is empty, then it will goes to the empty, print the else condition, otherwise it will goes to the it will be print the statement. So because I have written this is for function method, I will show after, I will tell you. So this is string concurrent constant value means for the string we can change the value or anything we can do, but in the string constant we cannot do by using example, we are adding by using the let character, we cannot add for the string because of it is a constant. So now let's go to the string concatenation means we are adding the two strings like a string 1 and a string 2, we are adding to the value, like we will get the one value, like where concatenate equal to string 1 io, so then string 2. Yes, so we are concatenating the two values like count 1 and count 2, we will get the final output like ios. So according to this string length means we will find out the string length. So hello John, I'm iOS developer who are looking for job change in Hyderabad location. So this is for string. So we have to find out that string length by using the string length dot count. That is, so string iterating means we are suppose of our string is I Android. So we want to iterating that string means we will get the like A and O R I O D. So we will get the value for value by using the string iterating method. Like means if we are giving the for loop by using the for loop, so we will get the characters for that by using the string length. And one is another one is string unique coding. String unique coding means our string value is converting into the converting UTF-8 and UTF string is there. Our value is converting to the string to decimal value, by computer coding language like BS64, chip operators, no, BS8 and BS64 are there. So like this only UTF means unity string fetching, like UTF-8 and UTF-16 are there bitwise. So we are converting like basically I am using like UTF-8 only. There are so many times, so many are there. UTF-16 is there. We can you can use like UTF-C string and UTF-8 body and retro, and it is a continuous UTF-8, and based on the condition we will check the while in the project time we will check it as condition, because of we use the UTF-8 means when we are calling the API from so we will get the data from the server, either it is a which type of data we don't know, so then we are converting into the UTF-8 bit. UTF-8 bit after we will pass the data from that, that's function. So next topics is function, like I am declaring as a function type, so I am writing for like function. So basically those, so function ram, so sorry, function height we are calling, so print the I am Raju. Thus, we'll calling that, we'll call the function. Where basically we use function means because of the function reusability purpose. Because of, so suppose of I have written here, I will give you for the example for that. In this function, we are using like variables, or suppose of I am using variables for variable for data equal to 45. So whenever we want a variable data, so we have no need to use the many times, then we have to call that function and we will fetch the value from there. So we can use like function reusability purpose only, we have mainly use the function. In there are the functions so many types, like function with parameters, a function with parameters with the return value also is there. So I am giving the example for function with return function with the parameters. So this is the function, this is the function body name, and this is the parameters, those are called as a parameters. In these parameters, this is a key, this is the key value type, though we are representing either it is a string or integer, so we can use like we can represent as a integer. It's no problem, we can declare as a integer. So integer, after we have to convert into the int value only, so we cannot assign a value for string to integer to string, so we have to convert like string, we have to convert method string to integer value is there one method, so we can convert for that. So just we are giving the string only basic. We will go to the depth cases, the students did not understand, no, I am giving that only basics. After this is the function, we are this is a key, this is a value, this is a key and this is value, so we have to value, now we are assigning a variable for key, and this is in the key value we will store that value. So example, I am declared a variable, the in the function I am giving the values like Lakshmi and Reddy, we are giving the values to, so we will get the output value for that.